A photo shoot is like a dance. If you're the photographer, you have to know how to give instructions to the model. But if you're in front of the camera, it's good to know some poses so you don't feel uncomfortable. And you know what to do, because at the end, both of us want to be happy with the final results. In this video, I'm going to show you 8 poses so your pictures look amazing and don't ever look boring. Number 1, the imaginary thread. Imagine that you have a thread stuck to your forehead and someone pulls it up. With this pose, your neck will look longer, in addition to favoring your posture and making you look taller. Number 2, extend your limbs. Avoid having your arms and legs close to your body. Stretching an arm or a leg helps your body look longer, and this helps you look much better in photos. In addition, it'll give you a more relaxed look, which will almost always be good when you pose for the camera. Number 3, use your hands. If you don't know what to do with your hands, this tip will be perfect for you. A tip that I always give is that the 2 hands are not doing the same thing. For example, if one of your hands is on your hips, try putting the other hand next to your face. This helps give the photo movement and variety. Other things you can do with your hands are to play with your hair or clothes, or if you're sitting, support it on your legs. Number 4, move the hips. Changing the direction of your hips, swinging from one side to the other, and creating an S with your body will give you a more dynamic look to the photo, and to make you look less rigid and not look like a military man standing in front of Buckingham Palace. Put your weight on one foot and let your body move accordingly. Number 5, the fake laugh. This can be a bit awkward at first, but I promise you it's foolproof. Look to the sides and imagine that you have invisible friends around you, telling you jokes or some really funny story. This will make your expressions more natural. If you're a photographer, you could actually talk to the model and laugh with her. Laughter is contagious, and you may even manage to get a real laugh out of it. Number 6, walk. Taking a step or 2 while posing will help you create movement. You can give it towards the camera or towards any other direction. The important thing is that you don't do it very fast either, so the photo doesn't come out blurry. Number 7, accessories. This is another excellent option when we don't know what else to do with our hands. Have accessories such as sunglasses, a hat, or even the same item of clothing. This will give a different touch to the photo session and change the look a bit if you wish. Number 8, create angles. I already told you that extending the limbs helps with the poses, but if you want to take it to another level, you can create angles with one arm or one leg to make the photo more pleasing to the eye. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips help you out. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and we'll see you in the next video.